everyone, I'm Miss Precious from One Fancy Teacher Learning Hub. So this week, we are going to be learning the sound of this letter. This is the uppercase letter, and here we have the lowercase letter. They both make the same sound, j, j. So let's pretend we have jelly wobbling in our place, and it makes the sound j, 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 j. Good job. J as in jet, J as in jog, J as in jump, J as in jeep, J as in I know you guessed right. Good job. So next, we're going to be looking at more words that have J at the beginning. The first one here is jelly, jelly. And we have jump, jump. Next is jog, jog. Here we have just, just. And Jamila, Jamila. So next, I'm going to tell you a short story that has lots of this sound in it. So while I read, I want you to identify these letters. The title of my story today is Anjola. A long time ago, there were 4 friends named Judah, Julia, Anjola, and Jamila. It was always a joy to be around them. We could always tell how jovial, jolly, and joyful they were. Everyone wanted to be friends with them because their names had such a fun beginning, except for Anjola. Now I want you to think, why is Anjola's name different from her friends? I know you guessed right. The J is in the middle of her name. While we have J at the beginning of Judah, Julia, and Jamila. Now can we make the sound together? Let's go. J, 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 J. Good job. So next, we're going to learn how to write this letter. The uppercase letter, we say a dash up, a straight line, and an umbrella curve down. A dash up, a straight line, and an umbrella curve down. A dash up, a straight line, and an umbrella curve down. And the lowercase is itsy peasy lemon squeezy. It's just a straight line, an umbrella curve down, and a dot up. A straight line, an umbrella curve down, and a dot up. A straight line, an umbrella curve down, and a dot up. I hope you had fun learning how to write this letter. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.